All right, talk to me a little bit about your procedure. When your crew starts tearing this down, what are you looking for here?
Well, once we get all the Freon recovered out of the system, when there's none in there we have to worry about, we'll take and disconnect the Freon lines connected to the system underneath the house. We'll disconnect the electrical and we'll disconnect the low voltage wiring. And once that's disconnected, we'll move this unit out of the way, carry it back, disassemble it, and carry it to the scrap yard.
What do you mean disassemble it?
We're not going to just take this unit and go throw it in the landfill. We properly dispose of it.
You just don't throw it on the side of the road and let somebody else's problem. So we turn it back in, and in 2 years from now, this could be another heat and air unit, right?
Yeah, be parts of one.
So it's just a circle that keeps going. We keep using. It's just like years ago, I never thought that I would reclaim bottles and cans.
Protect the environment.
Protect the environment, baby.